Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I am creating a look number 2 using my Riviera palette, and it's a nice pink half cut crease, so I hope you'll enjoy it. So I'm starting off with the color Monte Carlo and a nice fluffy brush. This one is from MAC, it's a 224, and applying this color directly into my crease and then slightly buffing it upwards, and when there's no product pretty much left on the brush.
It has just come. We must never stop the way.
I will be repeating the same step a few times just to get the intensity, and I will be going back and forth with my other clean brush 224 from MAC just to make sure everything's nicely blended together.
We must merely make a start. Savannah.
Next, I'm taking this gorgeous neon pink color called Bahamas and my MAC 221 brush and applying this color directly into my crease. And as always, going back to my fluffy brush just to blend everything together. Once I'm happy how the pink looks, I'm taking color called Cannes, which is a nice violet color, and a small Morphe brush M506, and just starting to pack it on the outer edge of my eye.
Light is gonna come.
So I'm literally just dabbing the color onto my outer V and then taking the MAC 221 brush and a little bit of Bahamas color and just blending the two colors together into my crease so they transition nicely one into another. And as well, going back to my fluffy brush just to make sure everything's blended seamlessly.
Let's go back to when trees were so.
So just to get more depth on the outer V, I decided to take color Palm, which is a nice brown color, and using the same brush, just packing this at the very edge of my eye, literally just dabbing the color on and then going back with my 221 again just to blend everything together. So next I'm taking MAC for Longwear Concealer in NW15 and a flat brush and starting to cut my crease. I'm doing a half cut crease, and this step does take a lot of precision and I have to be careful and take time with it. Then I'm setting my concealer with a white color called Sails and a small flat synthetic brush and just really packing the white color on. Then I'm going back to Monte Carlo and Sigma E41 brush and creating a transition from the white color to the violet color and doing it in a diagonal way as well. Also applying some color into my crease, just making sure that the white color is actually nicely transitioning into my pink crease. And using the white color, also highlighting under the brow area.
People feeling like the light has just come.
Next I'm doing black winged liner off camera and applying my lashes. Then taking my Kiko Kohl pencil in black, I'm just applying that into my waterline and using small smudging brush just to smudge everything out. Also with my pencil brush, I'm taking some Bahamas and Cannes mixture of colors and just diffusing this underneath my Kohl pencil and repeating the same on the other eye. Also doing my face off camera. And lastly doing my lips using Primark pink lip pencil and lining and filling my lips with it, and some NYX butter gloss just to give more of a sheen. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you all next time.